Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the lowercase formula in Excel. The lowercase formula changes the case of any given text from whichever case it is in to lowercase. Like over here we have mentioned these dishes, like over here we have mentioned these words which are all in uppercase, and with the use of the lowercase formula we have been able to convert them into lowercase. This is a text-based formula and comes in very handy. So how do we use it? We type in is equal to lower, converts all letters in a text string to lowercase. Very simple. See? Lower, and you can even copy it across. Copy, paste, and done. This is how we use the lowercase formula in Excel. See you in the next video.